to be making an ice cream cup. And so the things that we're going to be needing is some poms and buttons and 2 big buttons, and that's it. Cupcake holder. So you're going to get the small buttons. You're gonna need 4 of them, and then you're gonna put hot glue. So you're gonna stick one on top and then squish it. Then you're gonna do the same thing.
You're wrong. There's only like there's 4. You said there's 3, but there's actually 4 cupcakes.
And then you're gonna, when you're done, you're gonna have this. 2 big ones, and put hot glue on this big one. Then you're gonna get the other big one and snap it on top. Then you're gonna put hot glue on top of this. Then you're gonna stack it on top, and it's gonna look just like this when you're done. Flip it over. Then you can put hot glue on this. Oh, sorry. I messed up. Here you're supposed to put it on the small one. And then you're gonna put your finger inside of it. And then you're gonna push. It might burn, but that you're gonna have this so far. Then you're gonna flip it over. And you're gonna just go in a circle. Superstar. This. Then you're gonna let it dry. You're gonna flip it over. Get your poms, and it doesn't have to have the little sparks. And these is going to be the ice cream scoops. You're gonna put hot glue anywhere and push right here. I have a blue pom and you're gonna pick yours up and put some on the side and on this. Then you're gonna get and put it right here. I got a green pom and I think I'm going to put some hot glue between in the middle, then put some right here. And put one pom right here. 2 more pom-poms. So then you're gonna put some hot glue right here and right here. Gonna get a pom and then put it where you put your hot glue. Then the last pom you're gonna put it in the mix. Okay. since the big ones are on the bottom, is to hold it up.
See, they're twins. They're people.